This automatic rollerball bottle filling and capping machine is a high-efficiency, fully automated device designed specifically for small roll-on bottles, cannot stand upright during conveying, ideal for filling and sealing liquids such as perfumes and essential oils. This machine integrates bottle feeding, liquid filling, rollerball pressing, and outer cap sealing, enabling a fully automated production process from empty bottles to finished products. Equipped with a SUS-316 magnetic pump, it ensures a filling accuracy of plus or minus 1%, suitable for filling volumes of 5 to 20 milliliters. Compact design not only saves space but can also be connected to a horizontal labeling machine to complete the entire packaging process.